Good afternoon from here. My name remains Olujimi Adekanle Jaff, the CEO Savannah News Now, a human rights activist and a social commentator. I want to just bring to your notice of what is going on in my Sunshine State, Ondo State, Nigeria. I want to bring a story of an indigene of that state. Iya Sumbo, she's fondly called. She's from Aromiobu in Ondo State. This woman has cancer, breast cancer to be precise. She went to General Hospital in Okitopa, where she was being referred to Akure General Hospital, and they confirmed that she has breast cancer. And because she has no money, our next point of call was the chairman, the Katika chairman or chairperson of Okitopa local government. She met the chairman in Okitopa local government, who onward took her case to the First Lady of Ondo State. And with the picture, they brought the picture of the woman, of the breast cancer and everything. And when they brought it, what our Excellency did was to use a picture for a fundraising pamphlet. That is the picture of the woman there. That is the picture of the woman there. What is there is 200 million crowdfunding to support Ondo State women with breast cancer. That is the caption. And that is the picture of the woman I'm talking about. The woman from Aramiobu. You can see. You can go to the website www.brecan.org. You get the picture there and the pamphlet. And they use the woman picture. The woman hoping that she has seen help. And they use that pamphlet with the woman picture to seek for donation. And I don't know how many people donated, but I'm sure of 3 people that donated. And they donated money, and I'm sure those people, they will not donate small money. The people I'm talking is His Royal Majesty, the Ooni of Ife, the present Ooni of Ife, donated money when he saw this pamphlet. His Royal Highness, the Oba of Lagos, Rilwan Akiolu of Lagos, Kabiyesi, he donated money for this same purpose. And the First Lady of the former governor of Kwara State, Abdul Lateef, the past governor of Kwara State, the First Lady, she donated. So any of you that knows all these people, share this video to them. They will tell you whether I'm lying or not. So this woman that has the breast cancer, she has seen her picture used for raising fund, and she was happy. After a while, she didn't hear from anybody. She has to go back to that chairman in Okitopa government. I didn't hear from anybody. I'm dying in pains. The chairman gave her a note that she should go to Akure and see Her Excellency, the First Lady of Ondo State. This woman in pains left Aromiobu. She came to Akure. She could not see Her Excellency. She went back frustrated. When she got back to Aromiobu, after a week, she summoned courage again. She came back to Akure. She spent 2 days. The second day, when she now made the protocol, what is happening? Protocol now told her that Her Excellency said she's not on appointment and she cannot see her. This is the woman that her picture was used in raising fund. This is the woman that is in pains. One of her breasts is off. One of her breasts is off. That is it here. I'm not lying. I'm not blackmailing anybody. I'm giving you the true figure. I'm sure many women have donated towards this cause. But the only 3 I'm sure of that I know, those names I've mentioned. If you know them, share this video to them. and ask them. They may not want, they may not want to say it outside, but you ask them, say, sir, did you do this? Did you see this pamphlet? They will tell you they did not tell you. The woman now went back to Aramiobo. She retired to her faith. And behold, the woman died. After some weeks, she died. When she died, nobody asked of her. Nobody even want to know where she is. They have used her picture. They have succeeded in what they want to use her picture for. To raise funds. To make money through her. And they refused to take care of her, and she died. I want the public to judge. Is this an NGO or a Yahoo? I won't say more than that. But I'm leaving it for the public opinion. Judge for yourself whether it's fair to that woman that died. The woman is in Aramiobo, and I want you to share this video to Aramiobo. People that knows her, people that have seen her, people or her predicaments, they will respond. For you to know whether I came to blackmail or I came to lie. I have just given you the true facts, and more are coming. The one about Unimed, the medical university in Ondo, their seminar in the US. I will still come to that, but it's not now. I'm just removing it one after the other for you to know the type of first lady you are having in Ondo State. Thank you, and God bless you. On truth, I stand. The only thing I fear in my life is truth. Apart from truth, I fear nobody, because God owns me. God owns my soul. God protected me. I fear no human, and I remain the Jah of the universe. Thank you. God bless.